turn of the year 2012 and 2013, in the Laboratory of Concrete Structures Department, research has been carried out to investigate the bond between CFRP laminates and reprofilation mortars. The first step was the water jet treatment of a concrete surface, where the samples of mortars were later applied. A stream of water under the pressure of 2500 bar was used on the concrete, which allowed to produce the base for reprofilation with very good bond properties. Later, the slab was installed on the working station, and mortar samples of different thickness and number of layers were applied on its surface in overhead position. A total of 16 samples were prepared. The last phase of preparations was the application of the CFRP laminates. Composite strips of 1 meter length were adhered to the mortar samples, while the bonded length was 30 centimeters long. Measuring devices were installed on the surface of the mortars and the laminates to register the strains and the displacements during the tests. To examine the bond strength, the slab with the composite laminates was installed in a test setup. Tensile force had been introduced in the strip until its debonding from the mortar's surface. Depending on the number and thickness of layers, the debonding occurred until the load varying from 2.5 to 7.5 tons. The analysis of the test results allowed to estimate mechanical properties of the mineral reprofilation mortars and select the most appropriate one for the application on the bridge, which will be strengthened with pre-stressed CFRP laminates. Currently, the second phase of the research is being carried out in EMPA laboratories in Switzerland, where the resistance of the selected mortar to high temperatures is being investigated.